Tonight doing a experiment. The experiment is called balloon in the jar. And in this experiment, I'm trying to put the balloon inside the jar by itself. First, we need a jar. Second, we need a balloon. Third, we need water. And add the water to the jar. And heat it in a microwave. And put the balloon here. Let's do it. We need to put 1 tablespoon of water in a jar. And heat it in the microwave in 1 minute. I did it. I put the balloon in the jar and this way. It will take few minutes to go inside. Just wait. It's moving a little bit. Wow! I'm inside! Wow! I'll explain you what happened. When we put the jar in the microwave, the microwave heats the jar. And when you put the jar in the here, the slowly the jar decreases the heat. And the air pushes the balloon inside the jar. That's what happened. You can do this experiment with your parents. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye!